A potential disaster was narrowly avoided at Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport on Saturday as an Air India flight took off right as an Indigo aircraft was landing on the very same runway. The DGCA has now launched an investigation into the incident. The ATC staff member who cleared the Indigo flight to land on the occupied runway has been removed from duty or de-rostered, pending the investigation's outcome. So the DGCA has launched a probe after two airplanes had come alarmingly close. Look at these visuals. A lot of people on social media also discussing how close it was, how risky it could have been. Let's go across to my colleague Ankit, who's joining us. Ankit, this video had certainly had several people very, very concerned. It was very, very close. After which the DGCA has now ordered an inquiry. What do we know?
I'm going to present another view of that very same, very distressing potential situation that could have developed. Now, this is a open source flight radar view of what had happened. So here you see this is a top view of the Mumbai airport. This is the Air India flight. Look at it. It's just beginning to take off and the Indigo plane lands right behind it. You can see there are other planes also here ready. It's going to repeat. Here is the Air India plane very slowly. Here now it starts to pick up speed along the runway. And right behind it, Pratibha, the Indigo airline follows and lands. And as per this flight radar, the distance between them at the lowest point, at the minimum point, was only 509 meters. And this is a distance that is very, very easy to traverse at the kind of speeds at which aircraft take off and land. So it was just a couple of seconds from disaster. That is what has come out of this. And also we have the statements of Air India as well as Indigo, and they both have one thing in common. Let's read them. AI 657 from Mumbai to Trivandrum was on takeoff roll on June the 8th. The Air India aircraft was cleared by the ATC to enter the runway, subsequently cleared for takeoff. The Air India aircraft continued with the takeoff movement in accordance with laid down procedures. An investigation has been initiated by the authorities to find out more on the clearance given to the airlines. So they're emphasizing on the clearance given by the ATC. Similarly, Indigo says our flight 6053 from Indore was given landing clearance by ATC at Mumbai airport. The pilot and command continued the approach and landing followed ATC instructions. At Indigo, passenger safety is paramount to us and we have reported the incident as per procedure. So both the airlines are stating that it was the ATC that gave them the clearance and that is what they were following.
Okay, it looked like a close shave for the passengers, and reports say that at their closest point they were just about 1,600 feet away. Arunil is also joining us on the broadcast. Arunil, DGCA ordering a probe, but these visuals sent a fright for many people on social media as well, who were saying it was a very, very close shave for the passengers. Arunil? All right, we'll go back to Arunil in just a moment. But you just heard the statement that has come in from the DGCA. Reports say that Mumbai airport is a single runway operation with two crossing runways. These were the visuals that many discussed on social media. Extremely frightening. The two aircraft came extremely close, after which the DGCA has now ordered a probe into the incident.